Alright, it is time for basement fire alarm test 30. Made it all the way up to 30. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the devices I have installed for today. For the pull station today, I have this Firelight BG10, nice and standard. It's a normal dual action pull station. So there it is. Up above there I have one of my Wheelock MTs up for today. The model of this is MT-24-LS. So there it is. It is set on high-low and being coded by the panel to March time. So you'll hear kind of the high tone doing March time. So it'll be kind of interesting. So let's get started. Okay. Here we go. And we have audible silence, and it's kind of funny. I don't know if you just heard it, but we seem to have some crickets or something in our basement, and they keep chirping periodically throughout the day. So yeah, let's go reset the pull station. Alright, so the reason I put up this particular BG10 is because I don't need to use the hex screw, because we got this nice Phillips head screw on it. Makes it quite a bit easier to reset, albeit it's still pretty tedious. But yeah, you just open this up and it comes down like that. There's the model number if anybody wants to see it. Nice and standard BG10. And yeah, there's that label. Give you a second to read that. Alright. So that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.